Whether you're replacing an existing door or you need to buy a new door to put in an opening, you're going to need to determine which way the door opens, left hand or right hand swing. If you go to the store, you'll see something like 32 by 80, that's 32 inches wide by 80 inches high, LH or RH, left hand, right hand swing. To determine it on an existing door like this one, you want to have your back to the hinges, and whichever arm is closest to the room, right here, swinging into the room, determines that this is a left-hand swing. With this one, this is a right-hand swing. Put your back towards the hinges, arm that is closest to the door, swinging into the room, right-hand swing. Now that doesn't mean that the door is always going to swing into the room. You might get a right hand in swing and then flip it around to swing out into a hallway or something, depending on your situation. But that's how you would determine for an existing door. And as far as putting a new door in an opening, to decide whether to put a left hand or a right hand is all personal preference, but there's a couple rules for me anyways that I go by, and this right here is a great example. Light switches are a big pet peeve of mine. I do not like, let's say that this is the entrance to the room, to make it easy. I do not like having to open a door and go around and flip a light switch over here. I would want my light switches right here so that when I open the door, I pop on the light before I even get in the room. And that is one reason why I made the entrance to this room like this. The other being that this wall is so close. Might be obvious to some people, but you definitely could put a right hand swing right here, but then you would be very close to this wall and have to walk all the way around to get into the room to be able to close the door. Some situations though, you might have switches right here and a wall like that. So what would you want to do? Would you want to open the door to be able to put the light switches on and then you could close the door behind you? Or would you want it to open this way so that you can just be in the room right away and then sneak behind here and turn the light switches on? That is a personal preference that you'd just have to make a decision on your own. But that's basically the same thing with everything that you do on your house. A lot of it is personal preference. So hopefully this information helped you out in determining left hand and right hand swing and which one you should use. Thanks for watching.